How to set up Calm application account step by step. First things first, launch the application itself onto your device, or you can also use any web browser of your choice and head to the Calm website. From there, you can proceed to set up your account. Now, all you have to do is once you launch the application, all you have to do is select these options and tap continue. From here, you can choose to create free account from the login page. All you have to do is you can use email, or you can also use the Google, Apple account, or even Facebook. I'll be using Google because this is much more easier to connect my account to the application itself. Now, once you select your preferred email, all you have to do is now tap continue once again, and then there you go. You can also now select the plans from here. You simply have to tap on this try and free and subscribe option and fill in your payment details. From there, you can subscribe to these plans. Now, all you have to do is once you subscribe it, there you go. Your account is now created. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.